Hey people, it's me Zain and welcome again another fresh video. So it's been a while since I've created any video regarding tutorials because there are lack of suggestions in my email. Obviously you have missed something or you want me to create but you didn't find the email address, so now it's time to create again from the beginning. You can simply have suggestion in the email section. In this description you can simply go there and write me anything, any topic you want to suggest for the next video. So in this video I try to create and introduce you the new artificial intelligence tool, which is basically from the Meta, and this is called the segment anything, which is means like that you can easily remove, you can easily modify it, anything from different layers. So basically it helps to extract any object from any particular video or motion things like moving objects. You can see those cars are going, some movements of the hand movements and gestures also there. So if you're new in this channel, before I start this video, don't forget to follow this channel and you can also like this video, and if you have any queries or any regarding anything, so you can easily go there and you can comment down below. Okay, so let's start and let's see how you can easily remove and you can use this one. Okay, so after opening this site you'll get two options: the try the demo and the download the model. So model is basically it will give you some kind of zip format, so you need to press and go for the Google Colab. Okay, so basically you need to go it for the manual one, but the demo one is better. I suggest basically the demo version has so many in it. Basically this one is on beta obviously, but you can also access to the demo one with the full version. Okay, so you can experience a full and ultimate version of this Meta using this demo version. So you don't need to go for the login or anything else. You simply visit this link and you can try the demo. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve. So we have three different videos or footages. So in this video we'll see the people are showing in this video. There are three conditions, three individual conditions. You can see the first video is basically a person just walking. So basically there is no kind of obstacles, so basically it's a simple video, there is nothing, it's an easy one. And then there is another one which is some kind of difficult. You can see there are grasses, there are leaves surrounded him, surrounded her, so you can see it's kind of difficult to recognize any AI. So there is another video, the last one, which is basically with two different people, one kid working alongside. So how we can easily use it also to extract from the background. So we are used to know the remove BG is excellent tool to remove any kind of object, any kind of separate it from the main layer, or you can extract the background. So in this video we'll see how we can do it for any video or any movement, any tracking or anything. So let's get started. So before I start this video, you make sure opening the Chrome browser because it will only support the Chrome right now. If you have the much newer version with the Mozilla, it will support, but it depends. So let's go for the try the demo, and after that you go for the website and try it now. Okay, you press on the try it now. It's now loading the demo. Basically it will load some kind of sample footage you can try on this. Okay, so now we will upload our own footage from here. So we'll upload the first video that I have shown you before I start this video. So if you're new in this channel, you can like this video for supporting this video, and you can see, as you can see, this person is walking, jumping, or whatever she's trying to do, doesn't matter. So now let's click on this object to define this person that is now tracking well, and you can see this you have added the three pins over there. To lock this track you must press the track object, so it will start the tracking forward and backward. Also you can see it's now tracking the jumping options and anything. You can see it's not that perfect. As you can see, our AI is never been perfect thing, so it's kind of a trained LLMs or kind of a transformers. So you have to know the how neural network works and how everything works. So you can also get one AI definition guide easily from the link. So you can also comment down below if you have any questions regarding this. So now press on the next, and as you can see it's been so much tracked easily. So now we'll definitely see if we can add the spotlight to see if it is tracking or not. It's working, so let's make it more good. So you can see it's really feels something different. As you can see, it's now extracted from the background, so it's working. You can add it in many effects. You can add it as an explainer video, you can add it as a motion graphics video. So it's really helped to extract any footage in this era. So this is really definitely it's awesome thing. You can also add blurs. You can see it's the main thing people wants to find, how we can easily add the blurs for our background. So if you're kind of a high quality camera, you have shot it with some DSLRs FX3 or hand thing, so you can simply use this tool to get more general blur. Okay, now we can also add some kind of inner. So basically this section is basically focused on the object, so you can easily go with the object section. You can remove it, you can add it as a green screen, you can replace with the content aware in the post. And also this screen also support the background option. So basically this one is for the background and another one is for the object. And after that you can simply, so let me delete it for now. So we'll add it, we'll saturate it and press on this next, and you can simply press on this download. So you can easily simply download this footage without having any issues. So it will take some moments to download and process it from the beginning, so make sure you have patience, because for an AI tool or AI tool manager you need some patience before you start using the AI. So basically it's now processing, it's start downloading. So let's see with what time it take to download this complete video. So I forgot to tell that in the max file it support, it's currently the 70 megabytes. So make sure you have thing, and then you can also play this video. As you can see, its quality is not that bad, but you'll get some sort of output. Okay, now let's start over. We'll do for our second and third one. Now upload, and we'll upload for our the most critical version of this video. Okay, this is kind of a mid average thing, so let's see if it can detect or not. As you can see this lips, so let me click on this object, and as you can see it is not tracked well. Okay, so it's tracking, but this portion is not tracked well. So how you can easily do that? Just simply remove it. Just click on these options to remove it directly. Now just go to that place where the object is completely appeared, and you can see there is no obstacles, and here you can simply press this person. You can simply press this person. I guess it has, okay, so I forgot to tell that I'm using the remove option. So let me press this. So you can see it's now tracked. Now press this tracked object. So you can see it's now tracking the full option backward and forward. As you can see there's some kind of mismatch here, but it's try to best to record or track this footage. So go to the next and let's see what we have. So it's original, and we have now the spotlight. You can see it's try to track recognize, but this is not an accurate tool for now. So in future you'll get more accuracy, so make sure you following also Meta to support them, their products also. By the way, this is not a sponsored video after all. Okay, you can see it struggled to detect, but it's try to detect it closely. And go for the start over again. So we'll simply go for the final video. So the final one is here with two different people, one is kid, one another one is adult. So let's think that how we can easily achieve to track this. So first click on the first object, you can see, and press on the second, the kid one. You can see it's not tracked well. Now simply press the track objects. As you can see, the track just gone away, or track just vanished from there. So we can simply, what we can do, just simply go to that place where it started fade away. So we'll simply add one keyframe like this. So we can simply hit on this and press the track object again. So it will add one track point. So basically it will tell the artificial general intelligence to track from here. You can see it's going now, so you need to also press this place to track it. Sometimes it has some limitations, so make sure you have a stable connection or it will give you nothing. So you can see it's now tracking, it doesn't have any problem, but again it goes away. So let me also only work for out these options. So go for the next one and let's see what we have now. Let's see what we have. So you can see it's now tracking well. We can desaturate it. We can add this sort of effect, you can like it, I guess. So make it original and let's see what it has. So it is almost good enough, you can see almost. I really like this, it almost good. So you can see the tracking is not that perfect, but you can achieve such level of output with this tool. So thank you for watching, hope you like this video. If you have any suggestions for the new video, and if you have regarding any topic, regarding any confusion regarding this video, you can also comment down below. The subscription is free, you can subscribe this channel, and if you have any confusion you can also directly contact me in the email section. So thank you for watching, stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Till then, stay with us. Bye.